In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, reusable email that's ready to send to your leads and customers. Start inside Zoho CRM and open the Settings panel by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In Settings, look for Templates and open it. This is where all your email templates live. To create a new one, choose Email and click New Template. Next, select the module the template belongs to, like Leads, Contacts, or Deals. This choice matters because it controls which fields are available for personalization later, so pick the place where you'll actually use the template most. Click Next to continue. You'll see the template gallery. If you want full control over the layout, choose the blank option to start from scratch, then click Select to open the builder. Inside the editor, you can drag and drop elements to design your email. Add text blocks for headlines and body copy, images for your logo or banners, buttons for calls to action, and dividers or spacers to create breathing room. Keep your headline short and clear, break long text into small paragraphs, and use a single, prominent call to action button that links to your desired page. If you're designing for a specific audience in the chosen module, align your message and tone accordingly. Aim for brand consistency. Use your standard colors and fonts. And keep image sizes modest so emails load quickly. When your layout looks good, open Preview to see how it will render. Use the desktop and mobile views to check that fonts are legible, margins aren't cramped, and buttons are easy to tap on a phone. Make any quick adjustments back in the editor if something feels off. From the preview, send a test email to yourself or a teammate. This helps catch typos, broken links, and formatting issues before you save. It's also a good moment to confirm the subject and pre-header feel compelling and not spammy. Before wrapping up, give the template a clear name and add the email subject line. Choose a name that makes it easy to find later, and write a subject that's concise, relevant, and aligned with your content. When everything is set, click Save. Your email template is now ready and stored under the module you selected. The next time you compose an email in Zoho CRM, you can quickly pick this template, personalize as needed, and send with confidence.